5. Lavender, relaxation and repair. Benefits: stress relief, antibacterial action. Uses: essential oils, acne treatments, hair care. Lavender oil is a skincare favorite for its calming aroma and ability to fight bacteria, making it ideal for acne-prone skin and scalp care. 6. Argan oil, the gold standard of nourishment. Benefits: deep repair, hydration. Uses: hair masks, body creams, stretch mark treatments. Extracted from the Moroccan argan tree, this nutrient-dense oil is loaded with fatty acids, perfect for repairing and nourishing both skin and hair. 7. Shea butter, nature's skin barrier. Benefits: intense moisturization, protection. Uses: lip balms, body butters,